Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to find the temp files in Windows 11 quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box, which lets you access system folders fast. It is a quick shortcut tool. Step 2. Type temp and press enter. This opens a folder with temporary files created by Windows and apps. These files can take up space over time. Step 3. Press the Windows key plus R again. We are reopening the Run box to check another temp location. This helps you find more stored temporary data. Step 4. Type %temp% and press enter. This opens the user temp folder where app cache files are saved. These files are usually safe to remove. Step 5. Press the Windows key plus R again. We will access one more system folder. The Run command keeps the process simple and fast. Step 6. Type Prefetch and press enter. This folder stores files that help programs load faster. Old files here can also be cleared if needed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.